Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will show you step by step how you can cancel or manage your Apex hosting subscription. So if you want to cancel your subscription, follow me in this guide. All you have to do in the dashboard of your account, click this option, open a ticket. In this case, you will see this page from here. Click start the ticket. You will redirect it to this page. Click billing support. From this option, click the subject, choose cancel my subscription, request, click normal, choose your game you want to use or related server, technical, or click choose billing and support. From this message, click subject, I want to cancel my subscription. For example, hello support team, I want to cancel my plan, and then write your email address, write your order details. After that, click on submit. Just fill this information here on the subject, your email address, your department, billing support, and then click submit. Basically, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video. Just fill this ticket to request cancellation.